Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on INFINIX Zero 30. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one is at the bottom right here, then another one I think right here, but that might as well be the microphone. We're gonna check that anyway. And there's also a phone call speaker right there. Now we're gonna play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from two sources, that's a stereo speaker. So let's try it out. Okay, so the sound was coming from this speaker, phone call speaker, but I think that's the microphone since there was no sound coming from this one, and I can confirm that this device does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.